This is a look at the Cohort Manager, an interactive, easy to use, no code solution for creating, editing, and managing your cohorts. Let us suppose that you, as a researcher, wants to investigate whether diabetes is a precursor to heart disease in older females. Now, we will, of course, start a new cohort, and this brings up the cohort creation tool. The chart shows all the individuals in the data set, and this number is also reflected on the top right. Let's start with the first age filter of including everyone who's older than 80 years of age. So you can see the moment that I added the filter that the chart has replotted itself to show lower number of individuals, and similarly the count is also updated here. We can also filter interactively from the chart. So I have replotted here with gender. I choose female, and this can be added now as a filter. We also have the option of a lot of other filters, but we will choose condition occurrence filter because we want to filter for conditions right now. It is recommended that you use concept sets because they can be reused. I have already prepared a diabetes concept set that contains multiple diagnoses and medications that indicate an individual with diabetes. Similarly, I will add another condition occurrence filter for heart disease, which will use the pre-prepared heart disease condition set. Now, as you can see, when I added two filters, we automatically got a binary relationship of AND, which makes sure that our cohort will contain individuals which have both these conditions. We need to add the temporal filter here now that makes sure that the heart disease diagnosis was done after the start of the diabetes diagnosis. This chart can also be interacted with in many other ways. So you can plot things like age distribution and then use bin sizes in order to change how the chart looks. Once you have satisfied yourself while building this, you can look through the patient list and remove any columns that you don't want included in your data set, for example, or add other additional columns that do not exist there. Once you're thoroughly satisfied with everything, you can export the data set as a zip file and then do your research in order to discover new insights.